This video is about NEET UG re-exam, and the topic is NEET UG re-exam physics VBI questions. We see some important physics subject VBI question, and the first question is two capacitors of capacity 2 microfarad and 6 microfarad are connected in series across 120 volt. Find the potential difference across 6 microfarad capacitor each. We have to find potential difference across 6 microfarad capacitors. First of all, we find the equivalent capacitors of 2 microfarad and 6 microfarad which are connected in series, and the formula is CEQ equal to 2 into 6 by 2 plus 6 in series. In series, equivalent capacitance will be 12 by 8, that is 3 by 2, which is 1.5 microfarad. And potential difference, and we have to find charge Q. Q is equal to C equivalent into V, that is 1.5 into V is 120 volt, and the result is 180 microcoulomb, that is total charge. And again we have to find the potential difference across 6 microfarad capacitor. Then we have to divide it by 6, and the answer is 30 volt. This question is solved in very tricky way, and the answer is 30 volt. Option is B. Next question is the focal length of the length of human eye can be fixed, variable from 0 to infinity, decreased, and none. The focal length of human eye is decreased, always decreases. Next question is the aluminum rod is moved in magnetic field. The charge developed across its end is proportional to. The aluminum rod is moved in a magnetic field, and the charge developed across its end is proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux. Answer C is correct. Next question is if the 7 by 8 part of the radioactive substance decays in 168 hours, half-life of period of it is. We have to find the half-life period of a substance which decays in 168 hours. 7 by 8 part of this decays in 168 hours. We have to find it by a formula, and the formula is on the board. 7 by 8 part of radioactive substance decays in 168. Here we see fraction of the radioactive substance remains will be 1 minus 7 by 8, that is 1 by 8. We have to write n by n0 equal to 1 by 2 upon n. 1 by 2 upon n. And we have to get 1 by 8 equal to 1 by 2 upon n. And the value of 1 n becomes n equal to 3. And we have to find half-life period of radioactive substance. We have T half-life period of radioactive substance equal to T by n, where T is given 168 hours. 168 by 3, that becomes 56 hours. And the answer is 56 hours, option is C. And the last question is we have to find equivalent capacity in the figure. And the figure is in a triangular form. We see it detailed. the equivalent resistance in the figure. We have to find the equivalent capacity in the figure between M and N. We have to clear between M and N will be. M and N will be. We have to find the equivalent capacitance between M and N. This figure can be rearranged in the following way. We have here M and N, and this is in the arc M and N is in series, which can be written as in this way: M and N. The equivalent capacitance between 4 microfarad and 4 microfarad is 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4, that is 16 by 8, that becomes 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad. That becomes 2 microfarad. And we have to write 2 microfarad here and 4 microfarad below it. And thus becomes in parallel, and for the equivalent capacitance condenser becomes the simply sum of the individual capacitors, and the answer becomes 2 microfarad, C equivalent 2 microfarad plus 4 microfarad, and the answer becomes 6 microfarad, and the option is C. And hence we have find the equivalent capacity between M and N at 6 microfarad. This concludes the video. If you want to see another video, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.